Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Nay, and what's up? I am coming at you with another Get Ready With Me, you guys. Yeah, we have a lot to catch up on. The last video that I posted, I was a crying hot freaking mess. I know. I've been going through it rough. The struggle is real, but I'm feeling so much better, so much more myself, and I just was about to get ready for absolutely freaking nothing. Let me tell you, like, I have nothing going on right now, but I kind of already have makeup on from earlier in the day, but I just decided, you know what, I kind of want to make myself feel a little bit better and just do my makeup. Doing my makeup always makes me feel more lively and more myself, and I think that it's important to do things that make you feel good, and even if it's literally putting on makeup to sit around the house and maybe take a couple selfies, who knows, but yeah, I just decided, let's turn on the camera, let's do this thing, because I'm sorry, I've been neglecting YouTube, I've been neglecting myself, honestly, like I've just been not trying to deal with life, and that's not reality. We need to take this thing on head on. Yeah. I'm sipping this iced coffee, hoping that it's gonna make me feel better, and here we are just chatting and not doing makeup, but I guess that's what a get ready with me, or chatty get ready with me, who knows what we're doing, right? Yeah, so I'm just gonna put some concealer on my eyelids to act as, I guess, a little primer, because we're too lazy. So I'm gonna pin my hair back with these like little gold clips. They're super cute. Ew, I hate when my hair does that, like it flares out a little bit, but it never wants to cooperate. It's also like day one of straightening my hair, so I don't know if that has anything to do with it, because my hair is like so wavy and so curly naturally, like kind of ew, these kind of look weird, huh? Should I move it? It's gonna bother me. Do I make it just like look like a hairstyle? I guess it's just to keep my hair out of my face, right? We'll live. Alright, but yeah, I've had a lot of things going on in my life. One of those being like I am not working at the moment. I'm just watching my nephew. So that's like weighed a lot on me, and that's been very hard adjusting to. But that's okay. I love spending time with my nephew, and that just means I have a way more time for YouTube, which I was kind of like sad and in my feels for a minute, but what do you do? What do you do, right? So I'm using like the James Charles palette. I know that sis has had some tea lately, but I love this palette and I can't stop using it. Forgive my voice, by the way, like my allergies are like unforgiving. I don't understand what's going on, but hey, sis is getting better. We're doing so much more better, and I realize that I kind of let my relationship with God go, and that's not okay, to be honest. Like with me, I don't know like what you guys believe in, and I'm not one to like press my views on other people, so whatever you believe in wholeheartedly with all your heart, and yeah, I believe we're all entitled to that, but I do believe in God, and I feel like it's super hard for me not to, given what I've been through, my circumstances. So I feel like I've been neglecting him, to be 100% honest, and that's not okay with me, and I've never been that type of person before, so I just really need to like get myself back on track with that, because I realize like I can't do anything by myself, girl. So yeah, I feel like I need to like update you guys on what's going on, but honestly, like I was just sad. That's life, right? So I'm so excited because now I have like so much more time for YouTube. Ugh, this little hair is gonna bother me. So yeah, I don't really know what kind of makeup look I'm gonna be doing right now. I'm just kind of like going with the flow. And that's like literally what I normally do on most days. So the only thing is I'm not really trying to put lashes on right now. Ugh, that's literally gonna bother me. What the heck? Okay, let's just fix that. Eyelashes are so long. I just wish that they would stay curled because sometimes they don't like to. But that would be actually really nice if they did. And like here I am reaching for my iced coffee that's like up in the air and clearly missed that. But alright. But I do want to say that I appreciate every single one of you guys who reached out because I had a lot of messages on Instagram for one, just like checking up and just like nice like reassuring words that were really sweet to hear, and that I think that I needed to hear that because I'm very much a person that's like keeps to myself. Like my circle's very, very small and it's like family. So yeah, like I don't know, I guess I realized like I don't trust very many people, and I realized like I kind of need to like let my guard down a little bit and just learn to relax, which is something I don't know how to do. So that's interesting. But yeah, I feel like I've just like learned a lot about myself, and so I just want to say thank you guys for the encouraging words because a lot of you guys shared your stories with me too, and that like just like touches my heart. And I think I needed that. Like I think I needed to realize that. So thank you guys. Like I appreciate that. And yeah, oh my god, like I got all sentimental for a second. But yeah, no, I really, really do appreciate that. And like I feel like it was really hard for me to like come back on camera and just kind of like record, especially after the last video that I posted, because I literally like recorded it and just posted it. Like I didn't even edit it. That's just like what it was. So yeah, I just was like, oh my god, I can't, like a part of me like couldn't believe that I posted it, but a part of me knows that I needed to post that and just be completely like honest and vulnerable with myself and with you guys. So I'm like actually very thankful that I did that. But yeah, that was really hard, by the way. But yeah, I mean, I'm glad that I was able to like help somebody out because a lot of you guys in the comments were saying like you guys go through similar things, and I hate that you guys feel the same way that I felt. Like I hate that. So yeah, I don't know, I love you guys, and yeah, let's like not be sad anymore. Let's like get this party started, shall we? Okay, yeah. So I don't think I'm gonna go like super crazy, but I think that I'm gonna use this little ColourPop Super Shock Shadow. It is in the shade Set to Sun. I would show you guys, but like homegirl's broken. Well, maybe I can show you. She's beautiful, but I hit pan and she like kind of shattered. So yeah. But we're just gonna pop this guy on our lid. Anyways, yeah, I'm starting to feel like much more myself, and so I think that's nice because now I'm like ready to like record videos again, guys, and do some like freaking routines, and yeah, we need that. Low-key love to do my eyes before I do the rest of my face. Is anybody else like that? If you guys are, drop a comment down below, or let me know if you guys do, yeah, let me know if you guys do your like face makeup first or your eye makeup first. Yeah, because in all honesty, I do my eyebrows first every single time. So yesterday I actually tried to not do my eyebrows first and do my face makeup first, and I felt like my entire day was off. I felt like my makeup looked weird. It didn't, but like I felt like I don't know, something's off. But yeah, just gonna like deepen up the outer corner a little bit. And like, look how much color that brings into that bad boy. Ugh, I really don't want to do eyeliner though, so I maybe shouldn't go too dramatic because I don't want to put lashes on either. Like, oh god, such a hard life. My gosh, am I gonna have to put eyeliner on? Yes, no, yes, no. I put eyeliner on. No, that's gonna take too much time. Do we have time? Absolutely. Absolutely we have time. Just not trying to do that. So yeah. And I'm sorry that I'm so weird, but this is literally me. Like, I don't even know what to say, so yeah. My next video will be better. See, if only my eyelashes freaking stayed curled like the entire day, but they don't. They'll stay curled for like an hour or two and then they will fall, and I don't understand it. But like, just stay, just stay. I can't freaking whistle. Can't whistle. Fun fact, can't whistle, guys. And I wish that I could, but I can't. And yeah. You guys see how long my freaking eyelashes are, but they just don't like ever stay like this. Like, why? I'm gonna go put like 3 more coats of mascara on and I'll be right back. Alright, so I put some mascara on, and honestly, I'm just gonna wait for that to dry before I curl my lashes, because if not, I feel like I'll ruin it. But go in with some concealer and just fix my life. Conceal everything. I'm just kidding. Not everything. So, since I feel like I'm getting back into the swing of things, guys, I just decided that I kind of want to post. For now, I want to say 2 times a week, because I know I was doing 3, or like I got up to 3 times a week, and that's still a goal of mine, but I feel like 2 right now is a safe number, and then we'll move it on up to 3 when I feel a little bit more comfortable. But I was thinking, because I was doing Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays before, I was thinking maybe Wednesdays and Fridays now. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think, or when you guys would like want videos, or if you want me to just, I feel like I would rather have like, not like a schedule, because I do want to post videos whenever I want to post videos. Like, I don't want to feel like, oh, I have to post a video because it's Wednesday or anything like that. But like, I do want a set schedule for you guys to be expecting videos, and kind of like for myself too, to keep myself like more on track and more like accountable with not my app. I feel like the conversation was getting important. Okay, hold on. The frame.
What if I do like a little?
You're so weird.
You gotta look at me like that.
I feel like my face is so Asian, huh?
Like Pocahontas.
Honestly, those were the vibes that I was going for. I was like gonna post a picture, but without the clips. Duh. Low-key wanted to be Pocahontas when I was younger. But yeah, like I was saying, I want a schedule to post videos, and I was doing Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays before, but I kind of think I want to do Wednesdays and Fridays. Now I look like a ghost. But yeah, like I was saying, guys, I just want a set schedule. So let me know if you guys would rather have videos like maybe Monday and Wednesdays, or Wednesday and Fridays. But I think that I'm kind of leaning towards Wednesday and Fridays right now. So let me know. And I kind of want to do some challenges, but I'm honestly a wimp, you guys. Like, I have such bad social anxiety, it's freaking ridiculous. Like, I feel like you guys kind of got a little taste of it in the last video, but no, it's horrible, and I feel like I never was really like that. So I kind of want to like break that bad habit while we can, because honestly, I'm not about to live the rest of my life like that. Like, no, we're not doing that. So I wish we had like some chiseled AF like cheekbones, but we only got what God gave us, and we ain't gonna complain because he gave us a beautiful AF life, right? Right. But yeah. And you guys, this bronzer that I've been using, or the one that I'm going to use right now, let me grab my brush. My brush is totally dirty, so don't judge me. I love this bronzer. It's from Wet n Wild. Here, let me open it up because it's going to get a little glare. But the name of it is called What Shady Beaches, and oh my god, there's so many shady beaches in life, right guys? But no, honestly, this is like a bomb bronzer. I love it. So I just was using a little Morphe like bronzer contour deal, and I think that one was in the shade Blogger, and this is the Wet n Wild Color Icon bronzer, and it is in the shade What Shady Beaches. And honestly, I've been using it every single day. It does have a little bit of shimmer in it though, and I don't necessarily like that for a bronzer. I kind of just like the matte look, but we're working with what we got, and I'm actually kind of digging it. And I think like for summer especially, like going to the beach or whatnot would look nice. Blush. Ooh, do I have any blush around here? Let me look. So for blush, I'm gonna use a Wet n Wild Color Icon blush as well in the shade Mellow Wine, and I'm just gonna pop that on a little. It's like so pigmented, so pop that on, and then if I feel like I did like a little too much, I'll go in with my powder brush again and kind of just like diffuse everything together. Just let that soak on in. I have a fan, but I don't know where it is right now. That'd be actually very nice. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with that Wet n Wild highlight in the shade Golden Flower Crown. Just gonna place that bad boy on the high points of my cheeks. So much better. Alright guys, well this is the final makeup look, and yeah, this is kind of what I do on a normal basis. I'll probably switch out the lip, but the eyes are pretty similar. But yeah, I don't know. But yeah guys, this is the final result. Thanks for hanging out with me while I was getting ready for absolutely nothing. Trust me, it was so much fun, and we're going to be doing this a lot more. So make sure you leave a comment down below. Let me know what kind of videos that you guys want to see in the near future, and let me know what works better, Mondays and Wednesdays or Wednesdays and Fridays, and let's get this show poppin'. But yeah, thanks for hanging out with me guys, and peace and love to you always, and I hope to see you in my next video. See you later, alligator. Bye!
With you, babe, with you, babe, with you, babe, hey, hey. It's okay, hey, hey. No delay, hey, hey. On delay, hey.